I just wanted to take a quick moment to show you a feature in sheetcam that not a lot of people know about. We get this question quite often. When you have a nested set of parts where you have multiple parts nested up on a sheet, it's easy for you to determine which part gets cut in what order. So most people know that you can change the order of your start points on a particular part. So I could basically say, okay, on this particular part, I go up to my edit start points, which is right here, and I can change my first start point to be right there. Or I can change the order of the start points by going quick cut sequence. So if I right click with my mouse in the edit start points mode, I can go quick cut sequence. This will allow me to select which is the first cut. However, this does not allow me to determine which of these parts cuts first in the nest. Okay? Generally, sheetcam kind of initially decides that unless you specifically tell it. And so say for instance these plates up here, I wanted these to be the first ones to cut out. Okay, for some reason. Well, to do that I go up to options after my parts all set up and I have all my parts. Each one of these parts has an operation for it. I go up to job options and I go to nesting. In here often you'll find that you're set to keep parts together, which is great. That's where you want to be. You can click it into manual optimization, keep parts together. In this way I can determine which one of these cuts first. So basically this is the first part, second part, third part, and so on. So if I want to say make these riser block plates, which are these plates up here, cut first, I simply go up to there. Now the duplicates of them are still down here. So basically I would have to shift all of these up to the top, and basically now all these four riser block plates are going to be the first cuts made by the table, and then it will move down and cut this next pair. So that's just a quick way for you to kind of determine. And if you're wondering, which is which, you can kind of click through it and it'll show you, okay, there's that part, there's the duplicate of that leg bottom, there's that part, there's the duplicate. So this is the order in which it's going to cut these parts out. So if you want to optimize this, you can. So that's the end of the video, and I hope you found this helpful.